Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDBEAT E3 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Then let's scroll down and find block numbers. Tap on it and your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So just tap on block and here we've got this characteristic icon, which means that for sure this number has been blocked successfully. You can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So in order to enter the blacklist, we have to either open our contacts, recents or favorites, then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in this general list we have to tap on blocked numbers, and this is our blacklist with the number we blocked from our contacts. Here you can also tap on add a number and enter the number manually. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied. Here you can also turn the option unknown just by tapping on the switcher and tap on it again to turn it off, and your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. If you want to, you can unblock the number. Just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.